my name is Fayaq. I'm in Margaret school today. I made a presentation for math about Rubiks Cube. Rubiks Cube, present by Fayaq. Rubiks Cube is a 3D competition puzzle invented in 1974 by Hungarian sculptor and professor Rubik. Originally called the Magic Cube, the puzzle by Rubik to be solved by T.shakar in 1980 via businessman Boris Lazy and 7 Towns founder Tom Kramer. Rubiks Cube won the 1900 German Game of the Year special award for the best puzzle. As of January 2009, 350 cubes had been solved worldwide, making it the world's best-selling puzzle games and best-selling toys. This is a picture of cube. Rubik's Cube is a Rubik's story. As a young boy, Rubik liked to draw and sculpture, and years later he studied and became an observer with geometry designs. He eventually became a professor and taught a class called Describing and Geometry, where he studied and to use two images to solve three-dimensional problem. This is a picture of Rubiks, the man who invented Rubik's Cube. What does Rubik's Cube do to our brain? Solving a Rubik's Cube improves your muscles, memories, ability to hobby inspired. This is a part of the brain that remembers tasks after repetitions, activities that use muscles memory, typing on keyboard, punching pin number, playing pianos, doing martial arts, even riding a bike. Thanks for watching.
One more time.